Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be making some creamy white beans. Let's cook. Starting with the white beans, of course, these are Great Northern white beans that I have rinsed really well and sorted. Added it to the pot, and now I'm pouring in some water. You want to make sure that you cover the beans up to 1 inch over. Does that make sense? You can see it? Okay. Now turn on the heat and allow the beans to come up to an almost boil. Once you see the little bubbles start to form on the surface, turn off the heat. And then we're going to allow them to soak in the pot in that water for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you'll see that the beans have doubled inside. Do not drain the water. We're actually going to cook these guys in that same water. That's what my elders did. My elders also used pickled pork in their white beans, but I don't eat pork, so I'm using chicken and green onion sausage. It's my favorite, and I'm just browning them to release that good grease. When the sausages are brown, go ahead and add them to the beans, and I also sauteed my onion, bell pepper, celery, and garlic in the drippings from the sausage, and I'm going to add those in right here. Here I'm adding onion and garlic powders. I'm not using any salt in the first hour of the cooking process because salt can prevent our beans from softening. So just onion and garlic powder for right now, and I'm going to stir it all together well. Then we're going to bring this to a slight boil like this and lower that heat a little bit to medium low, and we're going to allow it to simmer uncovered for 1 hour. After that hour, now we can add in our creole or cajun seasoning to taste and chicken bouillon cubes. I have a big one, so I only needed one. I'm gonna stir it all together well and allow it to continue to simmer for 15 to 20 more minutes. All right, cookies, last step, throw in some butter. This is gonna make our beans extra creamy. So just stir that in and make sure it's butter and not margarine. If you can get 4 sticks for 79 cents, that's not butter, sweetheart. And when that butter melts, cookies, it is time to eat. Look how nice and creamy these beans are, guys. And listen, this next step, I had to do it for pictures. I felt the spirit of my grandmother just tell me, Heifer, I know you did not put parsley in these doggone white beans, but I had to do it, guys, to make it cute. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Cookies, I hope you enjoyed my white beans tutorial, and I hope you try it. But don't forget the cornbread. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.